Okay. Uh, Welcome to join today's community meeting. And First of all, for the overall status, we are preparing 1.14 RC of 1.14. Everything is working as planned, but except some problems for in some corner cases for the volume policy extension. We Xun, Shubang, and me is working on the discussions of for the fixes, and we have created a bunch of PRs to change the code and the designer document, and we will resume the RC after all the PRs have been merged. That is for the overall status, and I think most of the members are working on the pre-RC testing or PR reviews, so we don't have many individual updates. So anyone have anything else we want to discuss here, including the status and the discussion topics?
Yeah, Shubham, do you know if Scott is coming?
No, Scott is on PTO today. He won't be able to join. So
I see.
yeah.
Yeah,
So
because I added a few comments to his design. Maybe we can follow up when he's back. Yeah, because
he,
last week he mentioned that we may discuss in this community meeting, but yeah.
yeah, I think Scott will follow up on the discussions on PR itself.
Okay.
Hey, Sean, I wanted to discuss about the volume policy extensions. One comment that I
Mm-hmm.
had about a corner case. Could you open that PR once?
Yeah, wait a minute.
Scroll down. Right, yeah, below that. Uh, yeah, this one.
This
So
one, right?
no, below that.
Mm.
Uh, yeah, here I think. Uh, don't you guys think we need to modify the PVC action a bit? If let's say you have a volume policy for snapshot action
Mm.
for CSI volume, in that case, and the user also specifies default volumes to FS backup instead of snapshot. Snapshot will be skipped in that case, right? But it shouldn't be, right?
Mm. My understanding is the volume policy has a higher priority than the FS backup.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But
Yeah.
the expected behavior would be snapshot would be skipped, right? This the line that I added here. It is in pvcaction.go, right? Can you click open that?
You mean by this code, it will take the FS backup pre.
No, it will skip the snapshot, right?
I see. Because there is a should perform snapshot check, and if
Yeah.
the value is true, I say, let me.
No. This is this there are no changes.
Oh, I see, I see, I
Yeah,
see. I understand what's your meaning, and this line
yeah.
should be good.
I think you just need to check whether volume policy is absent or not over there.
Okay, thanks. I
Yeah,
got it.
yeah. I just found out that corner case. So yeah. That's it. I think rest were minor changes. So I think we are good after this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't quite
And
follow Shubham's comment, but Shun, you're clear, right? You will follow up and make the change, right? This summer.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Let me know if you need any more clarification or anything.
No need. I already understand it. What's your meaning?
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So
Okay.
is it just that one PR that we need before RC with volume policies, or are there more than one?
Yeah, I
Yeah,
think that's the one. Yeah, we need some code change as well as change in documentation and design, and I think that's all covered in this one PR.
Yeah,
Okay.
design is covered in this PR and documentation got merged. Other than this, I don't think there is anything.
Okay.
mm,
And that's the last major hurdle before RC1 and branching, I guess? Or
Correct.
okay.
yes.
Okay,
Correct.
thank you.
So hopefully this week.
Okay.
Yeah. After the PR emerge, we will do the first test, manual test around the volume policy attention. And so still need to take 1 or 2 days. And after that, we will be able to create the RC.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Anything else?
yeah. By the way, does Red Hat, I mean, is there any customer from Red Hat waiting for the 1.14 release?
We were planning to ship it in August, and I think we're gonna pull it in to July for various reasons. So yeah, and that's why I also wanted to, I'm not sure if we're set up to share release duties or in any way, but I wanted to at least offer help if there's something more we could do other than this, to take some of that burden off of Broadcom VMware in its total. But that might be for another release. But if you think of something, I think I'm clearing some room from our engineers to help and assist in any way possible.
Okay.
So yeah.
Understood. I think after this PR will merge, we will release RC1 soon. But after that, we still need a few days to testing. In case there are any other issue found, we need to release RC2, and after that,
Sure.
we will TA this
Sure.
release. Probably, you need 1 or 2 more weeks to TA this release.
That's fine. That's
Yeah.
fine. And the branching happens with RC1, if I recall correctly, correct?
Correct.
Right.
Yeah. Okay. All right. No, I think that's fine.
Okay.
Okay. Anything else?
Short meeting. Scott's not here.
Yeah.
Yeah. I
Yeah,
was
but I
expecting a
believe
long discussion about his PR, but
yeah,
yeah, we'll follow up when he's back.
for the item blog PR, we have a good discussion previously, and we have all the comments in the PR, so we can discuss that offline.
Okay. Pradeep, I think, informed me at some point that the general idea is to have 2 shorter releases and 1 longer release. And I was just wondering where 115 fits into that, if you guys think it'll be a shorter, less new features, or a longer release cycle. Or if you don't know yet, that's also fine.
No,
Yeah.
did he mention that? I don't remember, but I think, yeah, with the cadence that we decided before, we will make 2 or 3 minor releases a year. So I think this year we are probably in a good shape that we can ship another minor release before the end of this year.
Yeah.
In about 3 or 4 months, or
Yeah.
yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I think we may need to firstly need to identify what we need to do for $1.14.
Yeah.
After that, we will know the exact date. I mean the date we can release that $1.14 release. So, but basically it will be still follow the cadence, 2 or 3 minor release 1 year. So probably in this year we may have only 2 minor release.
No, this year we've already have two. We've already
Oh.
shipped 1.13.
Oh, sorry.
Now
Yeah.
we are at
In January, we
14,
have
so
already released Windows 13.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Yeah.
Got it. Thanks.
Okay. Sounds great, you guys.
Thank you.
Okay,
Okay.
thanks.
Bye.
Then see you next time. Bye bye.
Okay.
Thanks,
See ya.
everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.